In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import notes in Zoho CRM. This process is essential for ensuring that all your valuable customer interactions are recorded effectively and are easy to manage. Let's dive right into the steps to make sure you can seamlessly integrate your notes into the Zoho system. First, let's talk about preparing your data. You'll need to create a CSV file, which is a simple spreadsheet. If you're already working within Zoho CRM, you might have the option to export this data directly, but otherwise, any spreadsheet program will do. Your file should include at least these key columns. Start with the note title, which is essentially a short, descriptive heading for your note. This helps to quickly identify the purpose or subject of the note at a glance. Next, ensure you have the note content. This is where the full detail of the note goes. It could be anything from a customer interaction summary to a reminder for future follow-up. An essential part of this process is the unique identifier for the parent record. This could be a record ID, an email, or any other field that's unique to the specific record you're associating the note with. Lastly, the module name might be necessary depending on your Zoho CRM version. This identifies where these parent records reside, like leads or contacts, helping Zoho place the notes accurately. Once your CSV is ready, go into Zoho CRM. Navigate to the specific module where your parent records are kept. This could be in leads, contacts, or another module you use frequently. You'll usually find this by clicking on the relevant module tab on your Zoho dashboard. There should be an option to import notes. Go ahead and select that. When prompted, upload your prepared CSV file. Next, you'll need to map the columns from your CSV to the appropriate fields in Zoho. This is crucial because it tells Zoho exactly where each piece of data should go. For the note title, you'll map it to the title field in Zoho. Similarly, match the note content from your CSV to the content field in Zoho. As for your unique identifier, like the record ID or email, make sure it aligns with the corresponding field within Zoho CRM. Take a moment to ensure each column is correctly matched with its Zoho counterpart, because any mismatch could lead to placement errors. After confirming that everything is mapped correctly, click Import. Zoho will then process these notes, and once the import is successful, you'll find your notes seamlessly integrated into each related parent record's detail page. This allows you to maintain a comprehensive and organized record of all your communications and notes, aiding in a more informed customer relationship management experience. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to importing notes into Zoho